Good morning students. Today class I am going to start the new chapter 3. Chapter 3 Theory of Equation. This is very easy exercise for you. For this is nothing but what we learned in the last class in the algebraic equation. We remember the quadratic equation, cubic equation, like that fourth degree of equation. Already we start the all sum of the root, product of the root. Both are based on the this exercise fully based on the 10th standard algebraic chapter. 10th standard sum of the root, product of the root, like that. Similarly based on the exercise. This exercise is fully based on the sum of the root, product of the root. That is nothing but to learn about the Vita formula. See that one, chapter 3. Theory of equation. Vita formula for quadratic equation. Suppose let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? For example, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Suppose the power of the x is 2 means that is nothing but it is a quadratic equation. The power of the x is nothing but 3 means it is the cubic equation. Power is 4 means that is nothing but what? Fourth degree equation. Commonly this is called the polynomial of the equation. Today class you learn the Vita formula for quadratic equation. Similarly Vita formula for cubic equation. Now listen, let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Already studied in the 10th standard. Sum of the root. Sum of the root is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta. Sum of the root alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. What is our b? B is nothing but coefficient of x. A is nothing but what? Coefficient of x square. That is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Simply we say minus b by a. Similarly, product of the root. Product of the root gives what? Alpha into beta, because we take the two roots only for quadratic equation. Quadratic means second degree equation. Second degree equation coming having only two roots. So that is we take that roots are what? Taking as alpha and beta. Therefore, from this quadratic equation, sum of the root. Sum of the root, how many roots we are going to add? Two roots, alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. B is nothing but what? Coefficient of x. That is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. This is called the sum of the root. Again, product of the root. Product of the root is nothing but what? Constant term. C is the constant. Constant term by coefficient of x square. Constant term by coefficient of x square. That is product of the root gives alpha into beta equal to c by a. These are studied in the 10th standard itself. So what is that one? What is the given equation? Therefore the equation becomes x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0. That is nothing but what? X square minus sum of the root is what? Alpha plus beta into x plus product of the root is what? Alpha into beta equal to 0. This is nothing but what we say? Vita formula for quadratic equation. Similarly, second one, Vita formula for cubic equation. Cubic means how many roots we need? We need the 3 roots. What are the roots? They say let alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the cubic equation. Because this is a cubic equation, we need 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. What is the cubic equation? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. This is the cubic equation. So what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? That is nothing but what? Minus b by a. But similarly the same thing. Minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. X is sum of the product of the two roots. That is alpha beta. How many roots? 2 roots having. So 3 roots having alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus what? Gamma alpha equal to what? C by a. C by a. So first one is what? For cubic equation, sum of the root alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. At the sum of the product of the two roots alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. C is nothing but here what? Coefficient of x by a is what? Coefficient of x cube. Again another one is a product. How many roots? 3 roots, alpha beta gamma minus d by a. So remember this one, alternative signs, minus plus minus. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what? Minus b by a. Again alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a. C by a. Next, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. Minus plus minus. Remember the alternative symbol. Now what is the cubic equation? Become x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. Lesson book also given all the Vita formulas. Go through in book as well as for our video class, learn properly for the formulas for this one. Very simple formula, already we studied in the 10th standard, sum of the root, product of the root for in the alpha beta sum. Now I am going to start exercise number 3.1. See exercise 3.1. See the question number 1. First sum. If the sides of a cubic box are increased by 1, 2, 3 units, because cubic box means what all sides are equal. Suppose if its side is increased by lengthwise, breadthwise as well heightwise, it is increased. What is the unit? 1, 2, 3 units respectively to form a cuboid. If the cubic box is increased length, breadth, heightwise means that the cube become what? Cuboid. The volume also increased. The cube become cuboid means the volume also increased. How much increased? 52 cubic units. Find the volume of the cuboid. Find the volume of the cuboid. Now listen, the question is given cubic box. The cubic box sides are increased by what? 1, 2, 3. The cubic box increased, it become what? Cuboid. Suppose this is a cube. If it is increased by length, breadth, height, it means that the cube become what? Cuboid. Therefore the volume also increased. What is the increased volume? 52 cubic units. Now we are going to find the increased volume is 52 cubic units. We find the full volume of the cuboid. We find the volume of the cuboid. The given is what? Increased. See question, listen the question to form a cuboid. Find the volume is, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of the cuboid. That is increased volume is 52 cubic units. Now see the solution. Very simple only. Let x be the side of the cubic box or cubic equation, whatever. X be the side. Let x be the side of the cube, not equation, cubic box. V be the volume. What is the volume of the cube? Volume of the cube is nothing but what? If we want to write means what? X cube cubic units. That is V be the volume. Volume equal to what? X cube cubic units. So what is length, breadth and height are increased by the question itself given. The volume, the cuboid box is increased 1, 2, 3 respectively. Therefore length, breadth and height are increased by x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. That is length, breadth and height. That cuboid, cube is increased. Increased length, breadth, height wise means it become what? Cuboid. We are going to find the what is the volume of the cuboid. See what is the increased volume? Increased volume is nothing but what? 52. Therefore, what is this one? Increased volume of the cuboid minus the original volume. Original volume. So increased is what? X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. That increased minus original is what? X cube. Subtracting the bigger one minus a smaller one, we get what? 52 cubic. This is 52 is nothing but what? Increased volume. Increased volume. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus this is the original volume of the cube, the cuboid minus cube, that is increased. Increased is what? 52 cubic unit. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus x cube equal to 52. So if we multiply we get a cubic equation, because x with having multiplied the 3x, x into x we get a cubic equation. So first to multiply the first two bracket, x plus 1 into x plus 2. What happened? X into x is what? X square. X into 2 is what? 2x. Now, so that is very simple only. X into x is what? X square. X into 2 is what? 2x. Similarly, 1 into x is what? 1x. 1 into 2 is what? 2. So first next multiplied with the x plus 3 minus x cube equal to 52. Again this fully multiplied with the x plus 3. So the first bracket is multiplied with x, again multiplied with the 3. What happened? X cube, x into x square root of x cube, x 2x into x is what? 2x square, x into x is what? X square plus 2 into x 2x. Again multiplied with the 3, 3x square plus 3 2s are 6x, 3x 3 2s are 6 minus x cube equal to 50. Whatever like you do the calculation yourself. See the x cube, this is what? Plus x cube, this is what? Minus x cube, cancelled. So 2x square plus 1x square plus 3x square. Totally how many x square? 6x square. Here 2x plus 6x plus 3x, 6 plus 3, 9x, 9 plus 2 is what? 11x, again plus 6 equal to what? 52. So we cancel the x cube value, arrange in order, we get a quadratic equation. That is the quadratic equation become 6x square plus 11x plus 6, the plus 52 become what? 52 minus 52 equal to 0. That is nothing but what? 6x square plus 11x minus 46 equal to 0. Either applying the formula method. What is the formula method? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So if you want to find the value of x, either apply the formula, otherwise apply the sum and product method, factorization method. If you apply the formula, means what is the formula we are using? X is equal to, this also studied in the 10th standard, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Either apply the formula method or what? Factorization method. I do it factorization method. So what is 6x square plus 11x minus 46 equal to 0. What is our sum? Sum is nothing but what? 11. Product is what? 6 into minus 46 is what? 276. So 23 into minus 12. How to, suppose we want to factorize, we get the result. 23 into 12. 23 into 12 is minus 276. 23 minus 12 is nothing but what? 11. So what is the first term here having? The coefficient of x square having 6. So without forgetting, divide by x on both sides. So 23 by x minus 12 by, 23 by 6 minus 12 by 6. Now what happens if unable to cancel? This is we want to 6x, here also 1 means 1x, 6x divided by 6x. So what is here? Coefficient of x square is what? 6 divided by 6. What is the what is the alphabet having? Say x. So we use it, say x. So if you are unable to cancel, you write it what? 6x plus 23. 6x plus 23 or what? 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. X minus 12. So x minus 2. So 6x plus 23 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Either using the factorization method or using the formula method. As you wish, you do the calculation. Now 6 plus 23. 6 plus 23 equal to 0. Or 6x is equal to minus 23. X is equal to what? Minus 23 by 6. A negative value is not possible to find the side. So x is taken as what? Side of the cube. So in the mensuration, the negative value is not possible for in the units. Again here what? X minus 2 equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. We take x is equal to 2. Therefore, we neglect that one because negative value is not possible. Therefore, volume of the cube is what? X cube. X is what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 cubic unit. But the question is asking what? Volume of the cuboid. The question is asking what? Volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is what is the volume of the cuboid? What is the length, breadth, height is what? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 if you want to write cubic units. What is instead of x? Instead of x you substitute what? 2. 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 3 into 4 into 5 equal to what? 60 cubic units. Very simple sum if you do the calculation for yourself. Because the cube become cuboid, so the volume is just become increased. Comparing with the two figures, this is a cube. This is a cube. It length, breadth, height is it increases. It become what? Cuboid. What is the increased volume? Increased volume is 52. So original minus a increase, increased minus original is we get the amount of increasing volume of the cuboid. So we from this one we find the what is the volume of the cuboid. This is the very important step. What? Increased volume. What are the sides are increased? Lengthwise, breadthwise, heightwise. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Volume of the cuboid minus the cube become cuboid minus x cube. How much increased? 52. Using the calculation, first you find the value of x. Either using the formula method or applying the factorization method, you find the values. If you are having the quadratic equation having, we get the two result. X has the two values. Either x, both are positive means select it, but one of the values what is negative. Therefore, the negative value is not possible for cubic unit. Therefore, we take the positive value. X is equal to 2. Therefore, volume of the cube. If you want to write means volume of the cube. But question is asking only what? Volume of the question is asking only volume of the cuboid. Therefore, volume of the cuboid is nothing but what? Length into breadth into height cubic unit. That is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 cubic unit. Instead of x, you substitute the 2. Afterwards, you find the values what? 3 into 4 into 5. That is, we get 60 cubic units. Exercise 3.1. See the second question. So, construct a cubic equation with roots. Here, the roots are given. Roots means what? Three roots are given. The one is alpha, another one is beta, another one is gamma. We know that this is nothing but what equation? Cubic equation. Cubic means already I told you how many roots having? Three roots having. So what are the numbers? First sum is given 1, 2 and 3. So let alpha equal to, what is the solution? Alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 2, gamma equal to 3. That is what is alpha plus beta plus gamma. That is we take a summation. We take either taken a summation of 1. If you want to use summation of a book itself given summation of 1. The second one is what? Summation of 2. Third one is what? Summation of 3. So, summation of 1, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to, just you add the number alpha, beta, gamma. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to what? 3 plus 3, 6. Again, summation of 2 equal to alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. Just you multiply 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 1 into 2, plus 2 into 3, plus 3 into 1. We get what? 2, 1, 2 is 2, 2, 3 are 6, 3, 1 are 3. We get the result is what? 11. This is summation of 2. Next is summation of 3. That is alpha, beta, gamma equal to 1 into 2 into 3. Just what are the roots are given? Just we multiply 1 into 2 into 3. We get what? 6. What is the cubic equation? Already for beta formula we studied for the cubic equation. X cube minus, alternate sign. Keep it in mind, alternate sign. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Equation means we put must equal to 0. So x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. See the alternate sign without forgetting minus plus minus. So x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma, already find what? 6. So you write 6x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, you find what? 11. So alpha beta beta gamma we find what? 11. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 6. Alpha beta beta gamma, gamma alpha value is 11. Alpha beta gamma is nothing but again 6. You substitute the value. What happened? So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0 is the required equation. For second sum, you do the second and third subdivision as the homework sum. Same model only. Given 3 roots are given, do it yourself. Then only easily understand the sum. You do the given homework as well as video class sums. So do it yourself. Try to do yourself. Then only easily understand the sum. See the third question. What is the third one? If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic equation. Given one cubic equation is given. So what is the cubic equation? X cube plus 2x square. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Given cubic given, form a new equation. The other roots are what? 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. Like that alpha beta sum studied in the 10th standard itself. I'll recall the sum one more time. But now listen, this is a cubic equation given the sum. So this is also a beta formula, that is nothing but what is the given equation? Given equation is what? X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is nothing but what? That is minus b by a. What is your a? Here, what is a? Listen, a equal to 1, b equal to what? 2, c equal to what? 3, d equal to what? 4. What is the first one? Minus b by a. What is our a? A is minus b. Minus b is what? Plus 2 already having. Minus 2 by 1 is nothing but what? Minus 2. Again, another one is what? C by a. This is nothing but what? C by a. Minus a plus c by a. What is our c? C is nothing but what? 3. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. Again, minus d by a. Remember this one. That alpha plus beta plus gamma is by minus b by a. Alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is c by a. Again alpha beta gamma is nothing but what? Minus d by a. Here what is that one? This is coefficient x cube is a, x square is b, x is c. The constant term is nothing but what? A d. Substitute the value, we get the result minus 2. See alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 2. From the given equation, first we find the alpha beta value, that is this is summation 3 like that. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 2, alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha equal to 3, alpha beta gamma equal to minus. How come? Minus b by a, c by a, minus d by a. Apply the beta formula. The first one, what are the given roots? The given roots are 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. So this is first we are going to add the 3 alpha plus beta plus 1. Like that we add the 3 roots. 2 alpha summation of 1. 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 gamma equal to. If we take 2 outside, 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma. 2 into already we find alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what we find. Already we find the result. Minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is nothing but what? Minus 4. Again summation 2 is what? 2 alpha into 2 beta. 2 alpha into 2 beta. 2 beta into 2 gamma. 2 gamma into 2 alpha. 2 alpha into that is into 2 alpha into 2 beta plus 2 beta into 2 gamma plus 2 gamma into 2 alpha. Why we write? Because the given roots are 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. Then only find out the value. 2 2s are 4. 4 into alpha beta. Here also 2 2s are 4. Here also 2 2s are 4. Take 4 is outside. If we take 4 outside means balance is what? Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha equal to 4 into, remember the value, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Already we find the value for 3. 4 3s are 12. Again summation of 3 is what? Alpha beta gamma. What is the alpha value here? 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. Instead of alpha, 2 alpha. Instead of beta, 2 beta. Instead of gamma, 2 gamma. So therefore the summation of 3 is what? Nothing but what? 2 alpha into 2 beta into 2 gamma. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into alpha beta gamma. 8 into what? Minus 4. Alpha beta gamma value is nothing but we find already minus 4. 8 4s are what? Minus 32. Therefore the cubic equation is nothing but what? Therefore the cubic equation is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. This is nothing but beta formula. So this is the beta formula for cubic equation. Starting I taught about beta formula for quadratic equation as well as cubic equation. So remember learn the two formulas. One more fourth degree also coming for the sums. So here now you substitute the value. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but what? Minus 4. That is summation of 1 minus 4 plus alpha beta beta gamma is nothing but what we find. First value is we find minus 4. Second value is we find 12. Third value is what? Minus 32. Substitute the value here only. Given equation is substitute the value. X cube minus minus 4. Because first value is find minus 4. X cube minus of minus 4 into x square plus second value is find what? 12 plus 12 into x. Third value is find what? Minus 32. Alpha beta gamma is 8 into alpha beta. That is nothing but what? Minus 32. Therefore you substitute the value, you get x cube plus 4x plus 12x minus 32 is the required equation. So generally first we find the alpha. What is the question given? We take down the given equation, take down the sum of the root and product of the sum of the product of the two roots in the form. Take down all the three values. After substitute the given question. See, given roots are what? 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. Similarly for the second subdivision, the given roots are what? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. What is the question is? Question is same question. First second part we get the same questions. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 2. For second sum I am teaching the second subdivision. The given equation is same equation. What is the given equation? Given equation is nothing but what is the given equation? The same. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. So first commonly we take the sum. So these values are using in the first three subdivision also using the same result. Same value for alpha plus beta plus gamma. These three values are using the same answer for the three subdivisions. Only because the roots are given separately. The first question is given the roots 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. For the second question similarly given the roots are what? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. So take down that here. We take already what we find out. Take down you rewrite again here itself. It is easy for your calculation. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 2. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to 3. Alpha beta gamma equal to minus 4. Now take down and write it aside. Afterwards do the sum. Now summation 1 means what is the given roots? Add the three roots. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. If you take the LCM, alpha beta gamma is the what? LCM. So here only alpha. What are the remaining two terms missing? Beta gamma. Right in the top beta gamma. Plus here only beta is given. What are the remaining two roots are missing? Alpha and gamma. So plus alpha into gamma. Plus what is the last step? Here only add third one only gamma. Which are the two roots are missing? Alpha and beta. So we write alpha beta. We arrange it alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. What is the result here? alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is 3. 3 by alpha beta gamma is nothing but what? Minus 4. 3 by minus 4. Then the minus sign is go to the numerator. That is nothing but what? Minus 3 by 4. So in summation of 1 is nothing but add the 3 roots. Summation of 2 is what? Sum of the product of the roots. 1 by alpha into 1 by beta plus 1 by beta into 1 by gamma. Multiply the two roots and add it. 1 by, because 3 roots are what? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Multiply the two roots, afterwards add it. 1 by alpha into 1 by beta plus 1 by beta into 1 by gamma plus 1 by gamma into 1 by alpha. That is nothing but what? 1 by alpha beta plus 1 by beta gamma plus 1 by gamma alpha. Again similarly we take the LCM for this one, because what are the LCM? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Alpha beta gamma is the LCM for you. Here denominator is what? Alpha beta. Comparing the denominator with the LCM. Here alpha beta gamma is LCM. Here alpha beta is having, which one is missing? Gamma. Plus here beta gamma. Beta having, which one is missing? Alpha, right in the alpha. Here gamma alpha. Gamma alpha is having, we balance is what? Beta. Therefore you arrange it, what happened? Alpha plus beta plus gamma by alpha beta gamma. Already we know the result. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, we do it. We did already. So what is the result here? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus 2 by alpha beta gamma equal to what? Nothing but minus 4. So you cancel the value, you get what? 1 by 2. Understand? We take the LCM for summation of 2. Next we go into summation of 3. Summation of 3 is nothing but what? Product of the 3 roots. 3 roots are what? What are the roots? One given question is 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. Multiply the 3 roots. Up 1 by alpha, beta, gamma. 1 by, we remember the result. 1 by alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but what? Minus 4. Already we find out. So substitute the value. Minus 4, minus 1 by 4. So we get summation of 1, summation of 2, summation of 3. That is, therefore the cubic equation is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. That is summation of 1. This is nothing but what? Summation of 1. Substitute the value. Summation of 2, summation of 3. So x cube minus summation of 1 is what? Minus 3 by 4 into x square. Summation of 2 is here, find 1 by 2. Summation of 2 is what? 1 by 2. See, listen here. Summation of 2. What is summation of 2? Summation of 2 is what? 1 by 2. Similarly, summation of 3 is, we find out what? Minus 1 by 4. Substitute the value. So x cube minus 3 by 4. That is summation of 1 into x square plus 1 by 2 into x minus, here what? Minus 1 by 4. So minus into minus become plus. So you want to remove the denominator, which is the highest one, 4 to 4. Which one is highest one? 4. So multiply by 4. If you multiply 4, the given equation will become, multiplied by 4, the given equation become 4x cubed. Minus into minus become plus. So 4 cancel, we get what? Only 3x square. Here 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 4 is cancelled, balance is what? 2x. Here multiplied with 4 cancel, balance is plus 1. So what is the given equation? 4x cubed plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is the required equation. Students, I continue the next video for the next, I continue the next sum for the next video class.